another episode of What I Wore This Week, the series on my channel where I shop my closet, plan outfits for the week, and share it all with you. Do you want to play dress up? Then let's get started. In today's episode, I wanted to show a few transitional outfits that I'm loving, as well as try out some new outfit combinations that I feel will be great as we move further into the fall season. If it's Sunday, then chances are I'm pulling out a dress. I love a dress on Sunday. I haven't gotten a lot of wear from this dress since buying it, but the colors are giving me fall vibes, so I chose it for my lazy Sunday outfit. I paired this dress with a belt and these espadrille sandals. I love that these shoes are closed toe, so I can still get some use out of them in the chillier months ahead. These brown and black tones are just perfect for an autumn look. Dresses like these are a great choice when you're looking for a transitional outfit. The length and the long sleeves will work well in colder weather, but the material is still light enough for those midday weather shifts. For Monday, I wanted to keep it simple, but still cute. I started with this long sleeve white button down. This shirt is made of a lighter material, which makes it a cooler option while still providing warmth where needed. From there, I went with these wide leg black jeans. These jeans are so comfortable and give the very classic and formal shirt a little boho casual feel. If you need a little more warmth, layering something like a cable knit sweater over this shirt would give you a darling fall outfit. However, alone, it's still a great, minimal, but sharp look. We are transitioning into cardigan weather, and I cannot wait. I love cardigans. They're the go-to option for me when I'm looking for a transitional weather look. I took this orange, almost rust-colored knit cardigan and paired it with this silk cami top. From there, I finished off the outfit with a pair of distressed jeans and the espadrille sandals from before. This outfit is perfect for those days when there is still ample sun in the sky, but it's also quite breezy. You can look cute in any kind of weather when you have a cardigan. Wednesday was an easygoing day, and this was my easygoing outfit. I started with this green tank top. I love these tank tops. They're from Target, and they have served me well this past summer. They're also proving to be great for layering as I move into my fall looks. For this outfit, I went with this black moto jacket to add a little edge, but also keep me toasty when I need it. Next were these jeans. These straight leg jeans from Walmart, they have become my new favorites. They're so comfortable and well made and affordable. To finish things off, I went with these mules and a belt. This outfit is perfect if you're looking for a day to night look. You can ditch the jacket as the day warms up, or you can change out the shoes to dress it up a little bit. It's an ideal transitional outfit that is multifunctional and full of style. Thursday's outfit isn't really a transitional outfit. I just wanted to get cute, and this is what I chose. I started with this sheer top layered over a simple black cami. Keeping with the color scheme, I paired it with these skinny black trousers. I finished the outfit off with these leopard print heels. I love how these shoes add a pop of subtle color, breaking up the all-black outfit, but still keeping the feel of the season. If you wanted to make this a transitional outfit, you could go with a leather jacket or maybe even a blazer. These simple all-black outfits give you lots of room to add and create. It's Friday and we're having yet another cardigan moment. For this outfit, I started with this white crop top tank top. From there, I just kept it simple and paired it with this long black knit cardigan and some oversized jeans to finish off this cute, transitional, easy, and casual look. Another reason I'm really excited that the weather is getting a little cooler is because I can finally wear my velvet pieces without sweating to death, of course. I've been thrifting a lot of velvet pieces lately, and I can't wait for the weather to cooperate so that I can start to style them. This short sleeve velvet top is perfect for these transitional weather days. I kept the outfit simple with a pair of black skinny jeans and some black mules. With fall weather slowly rolling in, I'm excited to pull out my pieces that have richer and thicker textures. This shirt is one of those pieces. There are so many more to come, and I can't wait to show you. That was my week. What did you wear this week? What made you feel beautiful? This week's clothing words for thought come from Rachel Zoe. Style is a way to say who you are without having to speak. That's such a great quote. I love that quote. What does your style say to the world? Better yet, since we're all still evolving in style, what do you want your style to say in this present moment? Let me know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to be updated every time I post. It really helps the channel. You can also find me on Instagram and at my blog, vividlybright.com. So, until next time, stay bright, live true, and be vividly you. Bye.